Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change the measurement units on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone. Then you have to tap general, scroll down and select language on resume. You can see this option, tap onto it and then find measurement system. You have to tap onto it and customize it as you want, like choose between US, which is basically imperial, metric or UK. Tap your preferred option and go back to save the changes, and now your iPhone will display measurement in the system you selected. Like if you want UK or metric, you have to go back to measurement system again and just tap to UK or metric and then tap onto back or just go back to save this option. That's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.